Welcome back to How Car USA, your trusted channel for future cars, electric SUVs, and in-depth American market reviews. Today, we're bringing you a complete and detailed look at the all-new Toyota Highlander EV, a bold step into the electric future that completely transforms one of Toyota's most popular family SUVs. This 2026 spec electric Highlander is designed for American roads, American families, and American expectations. Starting with the exterior, the silver shiny body color gives the Highlander EV a clean, premium, and futuristic appearance. The bonnet is smooth and sculpted, with aerodynamic lines that reduce drag and improve driving range. Toyota has clearly focused on efficiency without sacrificing the strong SUV presence Highlander buyers love. The front end looks modern and confident, perfectly balanced between elegance and power. At the front, the closed EV grille design improves airflow while giving the vehicle a distinctive electric identity. Sharp LED headlights with adaptive beam technology provide excellent night visibility and a bold lighting signature. The daytime running lights flow seamlessly into the front design, while the LED indicators are quick, bright, and highly visible, something American drivers appreciate for safety and clarity on highways. Moving to the sides, the body shape remains practical yet modern. The Highlander EV keeps its spacious proportions, with smooth character lines running from the front fenders to the rear. The sides are clean and muscular, emphasizing stability and confidence. Aerodynamic alloy wheels and flush door handles help improve range. Roof rails come standard, making it easy to carry cargo boxes, bikes, or outdoor gear, perfect for American road trips. At the back, the SUV features wide LED backlights connected by a sleek light bar, giving it a premium and futuristic look. Rear indicators are fully LED, improving visibility during lane changes. The powered tailgate adds convenience for families, groceries, and luggage. A subtle rear spoiler improves aerodynamics while enhancing the sporty EV design. Inside the cabin, the Highlander EV feels truly upscale. The off-white luxury leather seats create a bright, spacious, and premium atmosphere. These seats are soft, supportive, and designed for long drives. Both front seats are heated and ventilated, with power adjustment and memory functions, features American buyers expect in this segment. The black luxury dashboard adds contrast and elegance, giving the interior a modern and high-tech feel. A large floating touchscreen dominates the center, offering Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, battery level, driving range, navigation, and energy usage in a clear and customizable layout. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and packed with controls. Drivers can manage adaptive cruise control, lane assist, audio, voice commands, and drive modes directly from the steering. Paddle-style controls allow adjustment of regenerative braking levels, helping drivers maximize efficiency. Steering is light at low speeds for city driving and firm on highways for confidence and control. Performance is where the Highlander EV truly shines. The electric powertrain delivers up to 338 horsepower, providing smooth and instant acceleration. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time is estimated around 6.5 seconds, which is impressive for a full-size family SUV. Power delivery is quiet, refined, and responsive, exactly what American EV buyers want. Top speed is electronically limited to around 120 miles per hour, more than enough for US highways. The Highlander EV offers multiple battery options, with a maximum driving range of up to 320 miles on a full charge. All-wheel drive versions are available, using dual electric motors for better traction in snow, rain, and off-road conditions. Charging is simple and future-ready. The vehicle supports fast DC charging and uses the North American charging standard, making it compatible with a wide network of chargers across the US. Vehicle-to-load capability allows the Highlander EV to power small appliances, tools, or camping equipment, an increasingly popular feature among American buyers. Safety is a major highlight. Toyota includes its latest driver assistance suite, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and a 360-degree camera system. These features make daily driving safer and less stressful. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Toyota Highlander EV is expected to start around $45,000, with higher trims reaching approximately $55,000, depending on battery size and features. Considering its size, range, and technology, it offers strong value in the electric SUV market. In conclusion, the electric Highlander represents a major shift for Toyota. Combining family practicality, modern luxury, strong performance, and zero-emission driving. It's built for American lifestyles and long-term reliability. This was your complete review from How Car USA. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, comment with your thoughts on Toyota's electric move, and subscribe to How Car USA for more future car reviews and EV updates.